Good morning, children. Today we will start from question 14. Let us take first part of the question. 16 upon 625 whole power 1 upon 4. So children, we have to convert this power in this way. So this denominator should be cancelled. Okay. So 16, if we can we write this 2 raised to the power 4 as 16, because 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and this 625 as 5 raised to the power 4, so it will be 625. Children, we can also write 16 as 4 ka square, but because here whole power is 1 upon 4, so we can't write 16 as 4 square, so we have to convert according to the whole power. Okay, so it should be cut. So 2 raised to the power 4 upon 5 raised to the power 4, and this whole has power 1 upon 4. Clear? So can we write this? Means दोनों की power same है. So can we write this like 2 upon 5 whole power 4? It also means same. And this also has whole power 1 upon 4. Now it has become that law. Remember, x raised to the power m whole power n. It means we have to do the multiplication of the powers. So 2 upon 5 whole power 4 into 1 upon 4. So this 4 will be cancelled from this 4. So what is left? 2 upon 5 whole power 1, that is 2 upon 5. Clear? Now you have to do this all the parts of 14th question yourself. Okay, I am explaining you this third part. (64) raised to the power 2 upon 3 plus under root 125, and this has cube, plus 3 raised to the power 0 plus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5 plus 27 whole power minus 2 upon 3 into 25 upon 9 whole power minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So can we write this 64 as 4 raised to the power 3? Because 4 raised to the power 3 is 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. So that this 3 will be cut from this 3. Plus 125, I have told you that if this square root we have to open, we will write this exponent in fraction form. Okay. So 125 is whole power. This 3 will become in fraction 1 upon 3 plus 3 raised to the power 0 plus this has negative index, so it will become positive after doing reciprocal. Okay, because this is in reciprocal means upon, so if we do the reciprocal it will become positive, plus 3 raised to the power 3, that is 27. Clear? Minus 2 upon 3 same, and this we can write 5 upon 3 whole power 2 means 5 5 is 25 upon 3 3 is 9. So 5 square upon 3 square, it will be 5 upon 3 ka whole square. Okay, and this whole has power minus 1 upon 2. So children, 3 will be cancelled with this 3, and this we can 125 we can write 5 raised to the power 3, because 5 5 is 25 and 25 5 is 125. So this 3 will be cancelled from this 3, and you know that power that has 0 is 1. 2 raised to the power 5 plus 3 raised to the power 3 into minus 2 upon 3. So this 3 will be cancelled from this 3, and this 5 upon 3, this 2 will be cancelled from this 2. Okay. So we have left 4 square plus 5 raised to the power 1 plus 1 plus 2 raised to the power 5 plus 3 raised to the power minus 2 plus 5 upon 3 raised to the power minus 1. Okay. So now this 4 square will be 16. 5 1 plus 2 raised to the power 5 is 32. 3 is inverse will be 1 upon 3 into 3, because this has negative power, so we will do positive after doing the reciprocal, and this also will become reciprocal after doing to do positive power. So 16 plus 5 plus 1 plus 32 plus 1 upon 3, because this 3 is cancelled with this 3. So 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 5. So these all are in plus and this is in multiplication. So we will add these all. This is 54 and this 1 upon 3 5 is a 15. Now we will take the LCM. So 15 LCM of 1 and 15 is 15, and when we divide this 15 by 1 it will be 15 again, then it will be multiplied by 54 plus 1. Here 15 divided by 15 1, and 1 into 1 1. So it will be, after doing multiplication, it will be 810 plus 1 upon 15, that is 811 upon 15, and after doing in mixed fraction it becomes 54 whole 1 upon 15. Okay, so this is your third part. Okay, so you have to try all the 5 parts in your fair notebook yourself, and if you have any type of query in any part you can ask me. Okay, now see question number 15. Find the value of x when, okay, I am explaining you this first part. So minus 3 upon 11 whole power x plus 5 divided by minus 3 upon 11 whole power minus 2x plus 3 is equals to minus 3 upon 11 whole power 2x minus 5 into minus 3 upon 11 whole power minus 2, and this also whole power has x plus 4. So children, minus 3 upon 11 is this is also has minus 3 upon 11 and this also, and so bases are same and it is in division. So if bases are same and the powers are in division, we have to subtract the powers. So x plus 5 minus, and you have to do this in bracket because this is also in minus sign, minus 2x plus 3, okay, equals to minus 3 upon 11. Same here, in this they are in multiplication, so we have to add the powers, and here we do the multiplication like this, minus 2 into x plus 4, so it will be minus 2x if we will do the multiplication inside the bracket, and it will be minus plus minus 2 4s the 8, so minus 2x minus 8, and we have to add the powers. Okay, x plus 5, this minus minus will be plus, and this minus plus minus 3 equals to minus 3 upon 11 2x minus 5 plus minus minus 2x and plus minus minus 8. So this 2x will be cancelled from this 2x, and here what is left, 2x plus x 3x, and 5 minus 3 2, and here minus 5 minus 8, so it will be minus 13. Okay, so I have told you one law that if x raised to the power m equals to x raised to the power n, so it means if bases are same and powers are in equal way, so m is equals to n. I have told you before only that if you have to find out the value of x, then only this law will applied. So here bases are same, so we can write this 3x plus 2 equals to 30. So this 3x plus 2 equals to minus 13. Then we can solve this linear equation. So 2 is in positive, if it will come here, so minus 13 minus 2, it will be minus 15. So it will come in division because this is in multiplication. So ये 3 इसके division में आ जाएगा. So 3 5s are 15. So answer will be minus 5. Clear? So in this way you can find out the value of x. Now comes to the last question, that is simplify. Okay, 2 parts are there, so I am explaining you this second part. Okay, and first part you have to do yourself. 3p square up q r minus raised to the power minus 2 upon 2p raised to the power minus 1 q raised to the power 3, and this whole has power 2 divided by 2p raised to the power 3 r whole power minus 1. So can we multiply this power 2 in each of the following? So it will become 3 square, p square multiply square, so it will be p raised to the power 4, q square, and r minus 2 it will become into 2 r raised to the power minus 4. So 2 का स्क्वायर, बिकॉज डिनोमिनेटर्स में भी मल्टीप्लाई होगी पावर की, p raised to the power minus 1 into whole power 2 q raised to the power 3 whole power 2 divided by 2 p cube r, and this whole has power minus 1. So it will become 3 का square 9, p raised to the power 4, q square, r raised to the power minus 4. Then 2 का square 4, p raised to the power minus 2, q raised to the power 6 divided by, and this we will do the reciprocal because this power has negative, so it will become positive after doing multiplication. Remember this, that after doing reciprocal, powers will become positive. So 9 raised to the power 4, q raised to the power 2, r raised to the power minus 4 upon 4 p raised to the power minus 2, q raised to the power 6 into, because this is in divide. So you have learned that after doing reciprocal it will become multiplication. So we will keep this 2 p cube r inverse. We will do the inverse of this. Okay. So this 2 will be cancelled from this 4. Okay. And this q square will be cancelled from this q6. So here what is left? Only 4. And this r will be cancelled from this r. So what is left, children? 9 p raised to the power 4 multiply p square. Okay, because this p cube has come here. So p ka 9p raised to the power 4 into p square, because this p has negative power, so it will become positive after doing reciprocal. So ये ऊपर आ जाएगा numerator में. So now what is left here below? q raised to the power 6, and this r has also negative power, so it will become denominator. So ये नीचे आ जाएगा हमारा. So ये हमारा इससे cancel हो जाएगा. This r will be cancelled from this r. So what is left? Only 9 raised to the power p raised to the power 4 into p square into p cube. Okay, q raised to the power 4, r raised to the power 3. So that will be this. P has different powers and bases are same. So what we will do? We will add the powers. Okay, so it will become 9 p raised to the power 9 upon 2 q raised to the power 4 r cube. That is our answer. So in this way you have to evaluate or simplify your question by applying laws, by doing inverse. So you have to remember the laws and all the laws you have to remember. So now you have to do 14, 15 and 16th question in your notebook, all the parts of that. Okay, and if you have any kind of problem in any question, you can ask me.